I was sent this set of battery terminals. I asked to give my opinion on it, make this short video. So here goes. Here's what you're going to get. You're going to get 8 of these. These are 50 amp size terminals. So they're going to be super useful in situations where you might have a trailer hookup or a winch, something with a lot of power that's drawn. So you're going to have to use that AWG 10 or 12 style cables. And this is going to be useful for you to be able to plug those cables into each other and have a quick connect, disconnect activity with that. So this is going to be how you would use it. You're going to connect the wiring up using these terminals that they give you. These are the crush kind. So you're going to take your very thick wire, it's going to slide it into here and then crimp this down. And now you've got this terminal ready to go, and it's going to fit in through here and then be connecting side to side so that you've got your quick connect capability, because it's got the steel already inside there that this is going to click right into from your cable. So these are really nice. You're able to as well bolt these down. They've got some bolt connectors here also as needed. You're going to fix this here on one side nice and firm and have a loose cable on the other, and then come in and do that that connection like this here. So these got a amperage capability of up to 50 amps, which is quite a bit. This is useful for a permanent connection to the cabling, but a quick disconnect as needed to be able to remove that hitch, remove that winch, or any other thing that you're using. So yeah, if you need to cover a 50 amp situation, then this is what you're going to use. Hope this helps. Have a great day.